Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Very venerable viewers, today we are going to talk about Piaget's cognitive development theory for the psychosocial development of child. It is a very interesting and very sophisticated theory given by Piaget, and we observe here he is agreed upon that intelligence is not a fixed trait. As we see that intelligence is a fixed trait and it is inherited and others, but he is agreeing upon this, that it is not fixed because it's related with the process which occurs due to biological maturation and also interaction with the environment and also with the people. We'll see there are certain important concepts in cognitive development. First of all is schema. It is the building blocks of knowledge. Schema is the basic unit of thinking. Piaget ने कहा है कि जो स्मॉल यूनिट है थिंकिंग का वो स्कीमा है, और इट इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड पैटर्न ऑफ थॉट. व्हाई ऑर्गेनाइज्ड? Because every thought is going to be compiled by bits of units, and the smallest unit is schema. It is interacting object, and when the person is interacting with the other places, other situations, other objects, then different schemas, different variety of schemas are being accumulated and develop the mind of a person. And we'll see that there is adaptation. Adaptation is the balance process at this stage, that many schemas are going to be developed, and every schema is adopted into existing schemas, and the new schema is also getting its place. Adaptation is the fitting of existing schema with the other schemas. So, जब the person is thinking about, सोच रहा है, देख रहा है, उसके अंदर एक प्रोसेस चल रहा है, तो डिफरेंट स्कीमा आ रहे हैं, और किसी वक्त वो किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ इंटरैक्टिव है, कभी किसी फर्द के साथ इंटरैक्टिव है, उसकी कम्युनिकेशन हो रही है, उसके बॉडी इंटरैक्शन हो रहा है. तो ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ स्कीमास आर गोइंग टू बी stored in the mind, and there is ability of a person to adopt it according to the need, according to the ability, that how these things are suitable for this activity. Sometimes हम बड़े sophisticated replies कर रहे होते हैं, और हम बड़े sophisticated जवाबात ढूंढ के, और यूं समझा जा रहा है कि we have already developed, but not. That is reflected on the basis of the existing schemas, and we termed it as that ये उसकी ज़हानत है, ये उसकी ability है to find out new things. And adaptation is a source to stable the interactive activities, and also stable the all sort of activities which are going on. It includes communication, it includes social interaction with the people and with the places, with the objects, and with the other activities that is going on, to be very interactive. And we'll see there is a balance, and we'll see the person is balanced. And its personality is also going to be developed on the basis of the adaptation ability. And adaptation is the resulting outcome of the interaction with the different places, and the thinking process is involved in it. Thank you very much.